Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I'm going to share some of the latest job openings in Karur location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for office assistant from Government of Tamil Nadu. It is located in Karur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 50,000 rupees per month. 10 vacancies are available for this job position. Freshers can apply for this position. So qualification will be 8th standard. Last day to apply for this position is 10th February 2021. Selection will be based on either written exam or interview. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get how to apply for this job position and all detailed information about the position. Next, there is a job vacancy for Agromet Observer. It is from KVK Karur, located in Karur location. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers can able to apply for this job position. And coming to education qualification, it will be 12th standard. Last date to apply for this position is 15th February 2021. Selection will be based on either written exam or interview. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link and get detailed information about the job opening. Next, there is a vacancy for BBWC RM position. It is from HDFC Bank, located in Karur location, Tamil Nadu. So you please check with the all information mentioned here and interested candidates, so you can visit this website link and you will get more detailed information about the job position. Next, there is a vacancy for IT admin assistant. It is from Coimbatore Cotton Concepts and Designs Private Limited, located in Karur location. They are offering a salary for this position is 11,000 rupees per month. They need knowledge on system hardware and software handling. Interested candidates, for additional information you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9677855255. Next, there is a job vacancy for sales executive position from owner of resources private limited. It is located in Karur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 1,50,000 to 3 lakhs rupees per year. And you please check with the all the roles and responsibilities needed for this position. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8754557700. Next, there is a job opening for cashier from Prasanna Kia. It is located in Karur location. They are offering a salary for this position is 11,000 rupees per month. Coming to experience, 1 to 2 years of experience in automobiles is needed. Coming to responsibilities, receive payment by cash, check, credit cards, vouchers or automatic debits, issue receipts, refunds, credits or change due customers, count money in cash drawers at the beginning of shifts to ensure that amounts are correct and that there is adequate change. So these are the responsibilities. Please check with these ones, and interested candidates, you can apply to this position. They have provided here the address details and contact number. Interested candidates, so you can contact with the given phone number, that is 7339091436. Next, there are some vacancies from Coimbatore Cotton Concepts and Designs Private Limited. They are hiring for the position of production coordinator in textile field. It is located in Karur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 rupees per month. You should be having knowledge on production, home textiles, It's a full-time job. Interested candidates, you can walk in to their company, and they have provided here the contact number. Please you can ask for the detailed information about this position with the given phone number, that is 9677855255. Next, there is a vacancy for stitching supervisor position from Texnora. It is located in Karur location. The candidate must be a tailor supervisor for at least 3 to 4 years and should know all the tailoring activities in Karur. Interested candidate, you can contact with the given phone number for additional information. The number is 9994211809. Next, there is a job opening for sales executive position from Winways Systems Private Limited. It is located in Karur location. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Coming to experience, 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. It is for male candidates. You should be having your own vehicle, two-wheeler with driving license is essential. Free flow communication is needed. Having basic knowledge in Tally is preferable. Capable to travel widely is mandatory. So these are the responsibilities needed for this job opening. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9944567602. Next, there is a job opening for PGT Commerce, PGT Maths, PGT Tamil. These are the positions are available from Aurobindo Matric HR SE Secondary School. So Aurobindo Metric HR Secondary School is hiring for all these positions. It is located in Karur location, Tamil Nadu. They are offering a salary for these positions is 10,000 rupees per month. You should be having experience in matric line. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9843065790. Next, there is a vacancy for teaching faculty from VSP Engineering College. It is located in Karur location and also Kovai. So they are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. It is located in two locations, Karur location and also in Kovai. They need professors and associate professors and assistant professor positions in the departments of biomedical, biotechnology, chemical, CSE, IT, mechanical, civil, ECE, EEE and S&H. They are going to give a salary for all these positions is dependent on AICTE norms. So high salary is preferred for deserving candidates. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9345955113, or else you can visit this website link for detailed information for all the job openings. Next, there is a job vacancy for digital marketing executive from Shivam Export. It is located in Karur location. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. They are looking for a digital marketing executive with 5 years of experience in the field with excellent communication is needed. So interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8778472488. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.